Today, we're going to change my cabin filter in my daily driver BRZ. I decided to go with the K&N because I've been replacing my cabin filter almost every time I go out racing. And if you live in a dusty environment or just like to breathe clean, fresh air through your through your car, you know, through the vents and all that stuff, you probably would like to buy something like this, K&N. So you can, the special feature of this one is you can clean it and reuse it. The one for the BRZ and the 86 Toyota and FRS, this part number right here, VF1013, Main USA. Let's take a look. There it is. It's very nice. Comes pre-treated, so you don't have to do anything. Just nothing fancy. Just put it in. Let's see, instructions. We don't need instructions. I'm a man. Don't need instructions. So it's pretty simple. You lower it down enough to push these tabs in right here on both sides, and then you drop the glove box down, and then you reach in here and you grab that tab, loosen it up, get this side, push it in, loosen it up. Comes out. There's my cabin filter. It's pretty nasty. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nasty. Looks like it's doing an okay job, but you know what, this is my fourth cabin filter. They cost anywhere from 15 to 35 bucks, and I could have just bought a K&N one time and just reuse it and clean it. So that's going in the trash. So new one, it's gonna go in. Huh. Let's see. It just slides in there, huh? Okay. Oh wait. No. See. It says right here it needs to flow that way. So I was about to put it in upside down. Let's put it in there. Yeah. Okay, seems to be fitting good. And that way, because I didn't check the instructions. I'm gonna try putting it in this way. See if it fits. And it doesn't fit, so it only goes in one way. And it's gonna be the little, there's like two little tabs on the sides. That's gonna be the side. And the flat area with the arrow pointing down is going to be facing the user, facing the rear of the car. Put that in there. Put the cover back on until the little tabs click on there. And we're good to go. Ready to rip. Oh wait, and then close this. Okay. It's time to go rip some shreds out in the desert and hit the track and go drive to work. I can crank up my fan full blast and I'm not going to get dust and dirt shooting out of my vents anymore. Cool. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Oh yeah, by the way, it has there's a little kit you're supposed to get too when you clean it. Right there. 99 6000. This is not the same cleaning kit that comes with your K&N air filter, okay? It's specially designed to like kill off germs and fungus and bacteria and all that stuff and mildew and mold, and keeps the air fresh. So definitely pick up one of those kits. I'm gonna get that in about 15,000 miles from now, and I'm gonna check to see how it's holding up. But as everything else that I have that's K&N, it's been holding up pretty damn good. So in the box, in the trash it goes. Oh, wait a minute, it's got a cool sticker, K&N sticker. So I'm gonna have to keep that. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to get your extra 5 horsepower from your K&N cabin filter. Peace out.